Hi, I'm Bill Hazard. Welcome to Novo Precision. We're a company with a wide range of engineering and manufacturing capabilities. This includes 3 different businesses, 3 facilities, and 8 different value streams. Our mission is to simply solve our customers' problem. Our customers bring us challenges, and it's our job to determine the best solution. When we do this well, the outcome is often a win-win for both companies.
Here at Novo, one of our core philosophies is really to follow the process all the way through from design, build, operate, and then improve. And so we started with, okay, what's the design of the line look like? What kind of workstation, specific needs of our client? And that gave us a lot of information about, okay, what about our design actually makes it very easy to assemble? And we love that for our clients. And what about our design maybe is not the easiest to adjust and change? Because we're thinking about it and looking at it and carrying it through all those processes, we have so much information that we can go back and then make, okay, our next iteration of this line for this client. We're going to know all of these things. We can actually offer a superior product, a superior solution.
Our mission is pretty simple, just to solve our customers' problems. So we have a really dedicated support staff, a great team of engineers. We get some pretty complex, issues and people bringing us opportunities to provide solutions. Now, whether that's machine build, our cut-to-length product service, all sorts of different types of industries, from medical to automotive, HVAC, everything kind of in between that.
We're broken up into 3 facilities. Our 150 facility focuses on wire, tube, and cable. We'll either make you the machine, design and build you a machine for you to do the production, or we can make the product on one of our machines for you.
Whether it's, improving a process, cutting costs, developing a custom machine, custom requirements, there's very little that we can't do. We love the challenge. We love to kind of take that on and run with it.
We have some of the most amazing employees here. They are very dedicated. They care about each other. They care about what we do here, and they know we care about them.
In our 215 facility, we have a combination of Novo metal finishing equipment, as well as a new startup called Novo Lean Solutions and our consulting group. For Novo metal finishing, we're focused on designing and making products for the metal finishing industry. We do custom plating barrels, support structures, gearing components, and we have a strong team of engineers, machinists, and technicians, which make these products custom to our customer requirements.
Really, any custom solution, if you come to us with a drawing, a print, dimensions, things that we can come to a realization. Lead times are excellent, and it's a team that really performs and excels and wants to do right by the customer.
What really impresses me about Novo is, despite being a small team, we still spend a lot of time and energy every time we see a problem thinking about, okay, the next time we go through this, how can we level up our skills? How can we, right off the bat, do this better?
As a business, Novo works in a wide variety of industries. We're more structured around making products that can serve any industry, but we do a lot of products for medical, HVAC, automotive, industrial, firearms, appliances. Our operational consulting division is closely linked with our Lean Solutions business. They work together to develop a line of products to help with Novo internally, as well as help with external customers in accelerating their lean implementation. These products are focused on assembly as well as interfacing with automation. We're in the process of developing several of these products, including material handling racking for smaller components, assembly workstations, part presentation solutions, material storage solutions, and shop floor metrics systems to help in management of your processes.
In order to do that level of problem solving, you have to really have a team that is humble enough to step back and say, hey, I don't think this is the best way to do this. I don't think I came up with the best way to do it. Can you come in and help me? Let's figure out how to do it better. I feel really blessed to be surrounded by people who care so much about what they do. Being a part of that's very energizing and exciting.
One of our guiding principles is to support U.S. manufacturing. We try to do this in a variety of ways, including developing our own line of products which are sold domestically and internationally. We go out of our way to buy US-made equipment. We go out of our way to buy from local suppliers. We share best practices with other local companies. This will be our 5th year as one of Connecticut's top workplaces, which reflects tremendously on the team here, and our team's ability to deliver exceptional products, as well as creating a great work environment for our team members.
Being able to use Top Workplace as a tool for feedback, whether good or bad, and take that and make it better for our employees and our company is the reason why we continue to be on that list. Our door is always open. We're available 24/7. It doesn't matter. It could be on a Sunday at 7 o'clock in the evening. If there is a situation, whether it's work-related or there's a personal situation happening, we are a family environment, and we're here for them. We know it's not easy, and we know that we have to be available for them so that they can continue to know that they have a safe place to come to when they're working.
We are always looking for strategic customers and strategic products where we can simply solve our customer's problem, whether that's a cost problem, a delivery problem, a design problem. We are happy to help. If you think there's a way we can support your product needs, don't hesitate to reach out. With our wide range of capabilities, we are willing to tackle a lot of different projects.
Whether it's improving process, cutting costs, developing a customer's machine, it always starts with the customer's needs and problems and ends with us solving it.
So thank you for visiting Novo today. If you're interested in seeing what Novo's about or interested in a career here, don't be afraid to visit our website at novoprecision.com, and thank you for visiting Novo.